I would like to explain here another point that you must keep in your mind while comparing two things. You must know what is it that we are comparing. You should be careful whether we are comparing two countries, two people, or two things. In a sentence, if there are some names, we are talking about comparison between two persons or two things. For example, the population of Japan is greater than that of England. The population of Japan is greater than that of England. Here we are comparing the population of two countries. That is why we have used here that of England. That of England means population of England. That of England here means that of refers to the population of England. For Japan we have used population, the population of Japan. But we haven't used here population word again for England. So here that of gives the meaning of population. Population of England, that of England. So if you drop that off, your sentence will become a different sentence. What it will become then if you drop that off? The population of Japan is greater than England. Here impression that this sentence gives now is that we are perhaps comparing population of Japan with England, the entire country, with the size of England. We are not comparing the population of Japan with the size of England. We are comparing the population of Japan with the population of England. So here we can't say greater than England. You can say Japan is greater than England or England is greater than Japan. That will be correct, but this will be wrong if you say population of Japan is greater than England. It means we are comparing population of Japan with the size of England, with the country. So here we must add a word, some hint, to indicate that we are not talking about England, we are talking about here, we are comparing here the population of England. So that's why we use that of England. The population of Japan is greater than that of England. I hope this point is clear. Your work is better than Mary. Your work is better than Mary's. We use apostrophe s with Mary to indicate that we are not talking about Mary. We are not comparing work of one girl with other girl. We are comparing here the work of one girl with the work of other girl. So here we are not comparing two girls, we are here comparing the work of two girls. Your work is better than Mary's work, but we don't use Mary's work, we use only the apostrophe with Mary to indicate that we are talking about work, and we have used it in a sentence once, your work is better than. So it means it is self-evident that here we are talking about work, and so we must use apostrophe with Mary so that we may convey that we are talking about Mary's work, not about Mary. So here comparison is not between two girls, comparison is between the work of two girls. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.